Well, as I mentioned coming in, what I like right now about the process is that the current job market has been a good one. And I was reading last week that Forbes says that 2022 is shaping up to be another very good year to think about looking for a job transition. I think the other positive thing is since the pandemic, what we're seeing and reading is that a lot of the market's going to be very employee centered. They are predicting now that the company culture and business models are all going to be reinvented, and I'm seeing that daily with the clients that I work with. They're going to have to consider flexibility. Employees like that, the work-life balance, and also we're finding that, in light of all of this, that the employee may become a much more valued participant in a company's structure.